what I think.
Succeed semi.
Yeah, succeed semi.
Why the hell didn't I bring my sunglasses?
Yeah.
I was going to, and I thought we were going to record earlier, but then the sun's now coming up.
Yeah.
It's all like in my face.
Tint automatically for the sun. See? Yeah, you got to be prepared.
Always be prepared.
And you've got to be prepared for things you don't even know you have to be prepared for. Like, for example, yesterday, I needed to get a generator, and Andrew was worried about his laptop, and I knew that as soon as I jumped in the car, I had to go make sure it was safe. You know, it's a very bad example of things that you have to be prepared for that you don't know you need to be prepared for.
Yeah, that's just more like courtesy.
Yeah, that is. I don't know. What happened that was bad that we needed to be prepared for, but we didn't know we needed to be prepared for? Oh, that was good.
The rain?
The rain, but also when you weren't here that day, but when I picked up one of our latest introducees to Kushi no Kushi, Esther, she happens to have a child, which I did not know when picking her up. I pulled in Dar es Salaam, pulled up to pick her up, and she's like, oh yeah, this is me and my baby. I was like, oh, that is great. Mm-hmm. I'll insert a little clip here about the baby, so enjoy. And yeah, so that was interesting. Like I was not prepared at all to bring a baby to this farm, and turns out like yeah, she's okay. She's gonna bring the baby permanently.
It was a baby and a helper, right?
Oh yeah, it was a baby and a helper. So she had someone to look after the baby.
Yeah. So instead of picking up one person, you picked up three.
Yeah. yes. Which tends to be the story actually. Yeah. What happens often.
Seating in Tanzania is taken very lightly. It's this car says 5 people. Nah, 8.
No, our car sits 11 people.
No, I'm not talking about our car. I'm talking about in general.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, like the Navara. That time I drove and it was like
a
bench seat on the back designed to fit 3.
Number of passengers. Let's.
I don't think it's illegal in Tanzania though, is it?
I don't know, but I prefer not to be.
They say no seatbelts, so there's 3 seatbelts, but there was space for 4 people, so 4 was okay.
I'm sure.
Not counting the people who are sitting in the back of the pickup.
There was no one sitting in the back of the pickup, and Andrew just remembers everything. But if his story was true, it would be an interesting story. So I'll let him tell it as he believes it might be, but this is just us saying that it probably did not happen.
You're making me sound like a crazy person now.
Yeah. I just prefer to put all the non-disclaimers whilst we're talking. See, I'm covering your back.
We were driving on non-public roads. Therefore, it was not illegal.
Ah, yes. Yeah, that's true. Okay, yeah, we were driving. Where were we driving?
I don't know.
Okay,
I can't remember.
Yeah, that's true.
They were non-public roads.
So everything Andrew's saying is now true.
Ace.
Yeah, I think we aced that. We aced that hurdle.
Yeah, that was the day we broke the car. Was it the day we discovered that it was broken?
No, we found out. And Nissan, I really, 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 really dislike you. Nissan as a brand. I should cover up this logo because it makes it seem like as if I'm
Japanese reliability, my ass.
Yeah, exactly. Like, to be honest, Toyota seem pretty kick-ass here.
Yeah.
Toyota, like if you're gonna get a car in Africa, it happens to be a Toyota, I think.
Don't get a Navara.
Don't get a Navara.
I mean, fair enough, we had about twice the weight limit that we should have had on it, but
no, we didn't.
There was a structural weakness in the vehicle that pre-existed, and we were driving it over incredibly rough terrain.
Yeah, I mean, they pretty much, I don't know if you guys know this, but basically Nissan has like a SASU problem from the cars produced in Spain between certain years, and they only sent us a letter like 3 days ago in the UK telling us that the car's faulty, but when we were here and we went to them, they were like, screw you guys, basically, which is kind of harsh, you know, like, I don't know, it's sort of made me distrust companies even more. I do like my, but I have to say at the same time, I have not seen a Toyota broken down. Anywhere. I'm not sponsored by Toyota, but I'm just saying here, like generally everyone says the parts are cheaper and everyone drives a Toyota.
Yeah, we even have Toyota parts on our Defender.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, they ran out of Land Rover parts, and the guy just took some Toyota parts and boom, put it in the Defender. But that's probably homage to the Defender that it just works with anything. Good times.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is funny.
Yeah, it's an interesting strategy, the Defender. It's we got the old Defender because it's easy to fix, but then it does break quite a lot.
I guess it does. It does. Does it break that often though?
Like every other Journey
Yeah.
in the
I
rainy
guess so.
season.
Oh, in the rainy season, yeah.
Yeah.
In the rainy season, I mean, one you could argue was our novice, like the brake pipe. So we were driving, and then whilst we were driving, discovered we had no brakes. Turned out all the fluid was getting spewed out because the brake pipe, the rear brake pipe, had snapped. So that was interesting. I mean, you're on mud. The road is difficult to stop as it is. So we went. A local guy sort of just plugged something in, and we were off. And that is the beauty of the car. It worked without any brakes, and we're still able to stop. Like, come on, if anything, that's like sublime engineering. Like, you don't need all the parts to function in order to actually get from A to B. But yes, it does have what I call its. I mean, I'm gonna put a YouTube link in here to a YouTube video we saw a while ago about Defenders, and it's true. Like, as much as we might love it, it does have its quirks. Like, when it rains, you might as well be outside of the car. It pours inside, yeah. It's
Just think of that time when you waded through the thing with the
oh yeah,
with the vents open. It was like, woo, floodgates are open.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Unfortunately, we didn't get that on video though.
I wish we did. I mean, yeah.
Next rainy season though.
Yes. Ooh, and I was so happy I was wearing was I wearing flip-flops that day? No, I was wearing boots. That's why you should wear flip-flops in a Defender.
Yeah.
That was good. That was good.
So what are we actually doing again?
We're just talking, I guess, generally, this is like a first episode, so I guess I think we're doing what we're doing, right? Like, we're just telling people about what life's like so far.
Okay.
I guess we could talk about food now, I guess?
Yeah. I mean, are we going to explain about the farm, or is that for later?
Ooh, yeah, you should explain about the farm. But, yeah, should we... Let's talk a little bit about the farm.
Okay.
So,
I'll let you do this. You did the pitch practice.
oh, my days! This is so hard. Oh, so I had an itch and a tear in my eye. Thinking about the beautiful farm and how beautiful it is. Just looking out, it just looks like...
Not how dusty it is.
I mean, when it's dry, it does get quite dusty. So I'm gonna just stand up and check that everything's still recording. Ooh, yeah, we are still recording, which is excellente.
Is your audio still going?
Yeah, my audio's still going. I just wanted to make sure. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Okay, so Kushi no Kushi. I'm going to insert a clip over here of me talking about Kushi no Kushi at a recent pitch event.
Oh yeah, we can just do that. We don't need to talk about it.
Exactly. So, insert clip now. Okay. So...
And now we can get back to talking about food.
Yeah, exactly. And then we can talk a bit, elaborate on the farm a little bit later.
Yeah. Once we know what it's going to look like.
Yeah.
Mm.
Wonderful and bearable, wonderful and adorable, colorful and bearable, wonderful and adorable, colorful and bearable, wonderful and adorable,